deposit when combined with sunlight, and the economy's ecosystems are hot. Systems is the rainforest, home to the most amazing concentration of wildlife. These dense and beautiful forests cover only a tiny portion of the Earth's surface, but they contain more than half of its vegetable animals. Rainforests are also extremely rich in productive living systems, providing us with oxygen, food, medicine, and other elements essential to our lives. In the desert, nature has created a very different, but no less beautiful living system. And while this arid landscape may seem lifeless, very much alive. The plants and animals that have learned to survive in these harsh conditions make use of what little water they can find and avoid the scorching rays of the relentless sun. The American prairie once appeared as desolate as the desert, but over time, rainwater and nutrients gradually penetrated the hard surface of this land. Even the roots of the mighty buffalo helped create a rich soil that would one day lie home to the American farm. Of all the forces at work in the land, humans have had the most profound effects. The need to produce food for a growing world led to the enormous use and sometimes overuse of the land. In our search for more efficient ways to grow food, we often fail to realize the impact of our methods.
Are they?
Today, we're learning to live with the land, discovering better ways to grow food that will assure both human and environmental well-being.
Mixing leaves and other living materials into our soil, we can make farmland more fertile without the need for chemicals. Here at Epcot, we're learning to reduce the need for chemical pesticides by breeding and using natural predators, like ladybugs and wasps, to control pests.
How will we meet tomorrow?
In the farmlands across America, we're learning that by plowing under vegetation containing natural fertilizers, we can enrich the soil without the use of chemicals.
And for your sanity, please recommend to see your health at all times. How will we meet tomorrow's growing needs for food production, yet still respect the needs of the land? Some of the answers are being discovered to help us where scientists from Epcot control the Department of Agriculture and your safety. Please remain seated in your boat at all times. Join us as we bring in the most bountiful time of the year.
Edible root.
Oh, it's a
It's difficult to imagine a holiday without lantern snow. But one of the most important holiday crops actually grows in the tropics. Welcome to our glimmering greenhouses, where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of Agriculture implement chocolate gifts back from the land. Join us as we bring in the most well-rounded time of the year to enjoy a variety of sweets and keep warm with a cup of hot cocoa. Thanks to this tropical. For some, it's difficult to imagine a holiday without lantern snow. But one of the most important holiday crops actually grows in the tropics. For centuries, farmers in Central America have cultivated cacao to make chocolate. In fact, cacao is chocolate's main ingredient. Today, people around the world are able to enjoy a variety of sweets and keep warm with a cup of hot cocoa, thanks to this tropical plant.
Yeah, this is a different. They have to see. They're green.
Peanut butter tree.
Peanut butter tree.
Wait a minute, I feel like a snozzberry.
Right, for this is your like dome right here, brother. Miracle fruit.
You might not think of fish, but seafood is an essential part of many festive meals. In parts of southern Italy, family and friends gather once a year to celebrate Lava June with a 7-course seafood dinner. Tilapia, bass, and shrimp are the most famous using our sustainable waters. Think of this summer to serve during this grand holiday. Today, in the United States, it's traditionally celebrated southern Italy, family and friends gather once a year to celebrate Lava June with a 7-course seafood dinner. Tilapia, bass, and shrimp are the most famous sustainable water systems. Think of the summer to serve during this grand holiday. Today, in the United States, it's traditionally celebrated. Like the original Colombia, are common in Florida, but in northern Europe, where fresh fruit is rare in winter, they're much harder to find, making them an extra special stocking stuffer. During Chinese New Year, these vibrant fruits are given as gifts of good fortune.
I mean, I don't care, but I'm Mandarin orange. They might give us a nasty brand, so it's not good.
Citrus, like the oranges grown here, are common in Florida, but in northern Europe, where fresh fruit is rare in winter, they're much harder to find, making them an extra special stocking stuffer. During Chinese New Year, these vibrant fruits are given as gifts of good fortune. And in this greenhouse, we're celebrating the holidays by giving back to the land using innovative farming techniques.
Coffee.
Coffee does not grow off a tree.
By recycling water, we can give plants rich nutrients. By giving plants ladybugs, we're able to control pests and reduce the need for pesticides. They say it's better to give plants recycling. And in this greenhouse, we're celebrating the holidays by giving back to the land using innovative farming techniques.
Wait. Where's
By recycling water, we can give plants rich nutrients. By giving plants ladybugs, we're able to control pests and reduce the need for pesticides.
Cinderella
And by
pumpkin.
growing ground plants vertically,
That
we
must
can
mean
give them
they
better
turn into
protection from disease.
carriages.
With these gifts, our plants can grow in abundance of nested vegetables. This greenhouse alone grows a total of 15 tons of produce each year. When we give them, we receive, making the most of the land we give.
Oh, Bradford, this is what you need.
What you
miss a whole bunch. They tell Roger, this is so much easier. Beautiful when you put his house on.
Festive
Oh,
vegetables.
that's cool.
This greenhouse alone grows about 15 tons of produce each year. When we give it, we receive it.
The holiday. The bark of cinnamon tree is used to make cinnamon sticks.
Oh, your microgreen.
You can make nutmeg for its signature taste. Other spices, like ginger and vanilla, add flavor to a variety of holiday cookies, cakes, and other delights.
Many of the plants you see as their trails will spice up the holiday. Epcot, the bark of cinnamon trees, celebrate the one growing inside the land used to make cinnamon sticks. You like eggnog? You can make nutmeg for its signature taste. Other spices, like ginger and vanilla, add flavor to a variety of holiday cookies, cakes, and other delights. By cultivating these festive plants with care and good cheer, Epcot scientists are able to celebrate the holidays with the land's many gifts.
Your mouth are disgusting.
Look at the poinsettias.
These greenhouses represent just a fraction of the work being done worldwide to produce bountiful harvests for our growing population.
It is very interesting.
Scientists, farmers, and even backyard gardeners are doing their part to improve the quantity and quality of foods that we all rely upon. Together, we can continue to find more ways to increase food production and protect our precious natural environment. Only then will we truly be living with the land. These greenhouses represent just a fraction of the work being done worldwide to produce on behalf of Walt Disney growing population. We hope you enjoyed this unique journey through our land laboratory. Farmers, even professional gardeners, and check out the behind-the-scenes walking tour and quality chance for those that we all rely on close and personal. With plants and growing continue to find other ways to increase food production and protect our precious natural environment. Inside the book, only then will we truly be living with the land. On behalf of Walt Disney World, we hope you've enjoyed this unique journey through our landing laboratory. Then check out the behind-the-scenes walking tour. It's a chance for